Okay, now we've got Nanna. Let's play a little game. Can you count to 3 or 4 or 5? You can? Okay, so on my ship here, there are 5 treasures. Let me see if you can find them. Cut. So that's right, there'll be one there on the sails. Well done, children. Oh, Nanna says there's one here too. Oh, brilliant. Well done. So that's 1, 2, oh, and 3, look. Wow, that's 3 we have. So we're looking for 2 more. Where one could be? Where could they be? Oh, there is the one there on the barrel. Well done. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. But where could the last one be? Nanna, where is the last one? Even Nanna doesn't know. What do you mean it's on my hat? Oh, there we go. There's number 5. So let's count again, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Congratulations, you've good counted to 5. Well done. Give yourself a round of applause. Good girl, Nanna. Right then, children, what we're going to do now is we're going to do a little game of colors. Oh, excuse me. Right then, what I want you to do is I want you to find something on the ship that's red. So have a look around and let's see what we can find. That's not red. Ooh, no, that's not red either. Say again. Really? What behind me? Ah, yes, that's an apple. And that's a red apple. Well done. So let's move on to number 2. We're looking for something that's orange. Do you know what the color orange is? How do you do? Great. Let's have a look then and see what we can find. Nanna. Nope, Nanna says there's not one up there. No, that's not. No. I can't seem to find anything. It's orange. Say again. By my foot? No, that's not it. Oh, behind me. Oh, look, yeah, you're right. It's an orange. And that's obviously the color orange. Well done, children. Right then, one more. We're looking for something the color blue. Yes, blue, that's correct. Okay, let's have a look then. Oh, you got that one so fast. It's the blue ball. Well done, children. Give yourself a round of applause. Where's Nanna? She's no help today, was she? Where's Nanna going? Nanna! Can you help me scream for Nanna? You ready? 1, 2, 3. Nanna! Ah, here she comes. Where have you been, Nanna? Why, you've been sleeping. Oh, that's not very good. The girls and boys are looking here to find you. Yeah, you say sorry. There's a good girl. Right then, children, and that's all for today. We'd love for you to come back and see us again another day. But for me and Nanna and the Phoenix, we wish you fair seas.